Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me. Root Beer here with question number 12 on our 2010 Pascal paper. 12 1x1 squares form a rectangle as shown, so it's a nice little 3x4 rectangle. What is the total area of the shaded regions? Okay. So there's sort of two ways to go about doing this. We can either add up these shaded areas, or we can do, and I think this is the approach I'm going to take, we can take the whole rectangle and minus this little white sliver of a triangle away. But either way, when we take a look at a question like this, we always have to break it down into more recognizable, more familiar shapes, ones that we have formulas for. Okay? I don't have a formula for the weird sort of, sort of a lobster claw shape that we've got here. But if I realize, oh, it's just two right-angled triangles, or, oh, it's the big rectangle minus this thin triangle, then, okay, I have formulas for rectangles. I have formulas for areas of triangles. Break the problem down, we get sort of a plan of attack, how we're going to approach, and that dictates what sort of computations we make and what sort of formulas we use. So I said, I'm going to use the rectangle, so probably say something like the shaded region is the full 3x4 rectangle minus this tiny little sliver, which goes from the top corner. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's got a height of 4 and a base of, I think it was just 1. Yeah, just one little part here. Okay, but if I know the base and the height of my triangle, then we're good to go. So a 3x4 rectangle has an area of 12, 1/2 base times height. We've got 12 minus 2 is 10. So that's going to be our answer, and that is C here. Okay. Now, you could do this the other way. You could say, well, here's a right-angled triangle of height 4 and base 2. And so that means the area here is going to be 4. And then we've got another right-angled triangle whose base is 3 and height is 4. And 1/2 base times height, you're going to get 6. 4 plus 6 is 10 as well. So doing the question either way is perfectly fine. Okay, so that's question number 12. Up next will be question number 13, so feel free to take a look at that before meeting me in the next video.